All right, welcome everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase a proxy from this site called Cherry Proxy. It's very interesting site where you can get your residential proxy from. Unlike the other video where I talk about web share, how to configure it, and I make a detailed video about web share. But in this video, we're going to be talking about Cherry Proxy. So the first thing you will need to do to access the site, you check in the description below or you check in the comment section. You will see the link. So you copy the link or you just click on it. So let's say I copy the link. Let me paste it. So immediately you copy the link and paste it here, you'll be able to access the site. And the site is it's really responsive and very fast. So according to the site, is the most cost-effective IP proxy provider. So with over 800 million plus real residential IPs from 195 plus regions worldwide, ensuring 99% uptime. So you can see that, let me say, almost all the countries in the world has an IPs here. These guys provide IPs for them. So, and they are also giving you a free trial. So before we go to our sign up process, let's just do a quick summary of how the site works. So you can see they are trusted by 30,000 customers worldwide. And you can see most brand here as Power, Slash Shot, SaaSworthy, G2, and the rest, Incognition, and the rest. So what is a proxy all about? This is our product average response speed about less than 0.5 seconds. You can see how fast it is. You can see how fast the coverage in about 195 plus regions worldwide, targeting any country, cities, postal code, and ISP, etc., with about 99.9%, which is, let me say, 100% uptime. They support HTTPS, and SOX 5. So if you know how strong this guys is, you'll be able to know how you know what I'm talking about. So they provide different types of IPs. So let's check. So what I also like about these guys is that if maybe you are just new to what proxy is all about, you'll be able to watch one of these video and know exactly what it is. So let's say you are new to this interface, or maybe you are new to anything concerning proxy, you don't know anything about it. So the first thing you need to do is to know what it is. It will not take more than 5 minutes. So you just play the video to know, like residential proxy. If you don't know exactly how to use it or what it is, you understand how to, especially when it comes to the purpose you are using it for. So you have to just watch the quick video to know how it is. So let's check that. So what is residential?
Welcome to Cherry Proxy. Today we will introduce residential proxies that cater to a variety of business needs. Cherry Proxy's residential proxies offer over 80 million residential IPs from more than 195 locations worldwide. Each IP lasts for 6 to 12 hours, providing dual ISP real residential IPs, with 99.99% of IPs having a risk score below 20. It supports both sticky and rotating IPs. You can automatically set the sticky IP duration up to 2 hours. When choosing rotating IPs, there will be no duplicate IPs. Built by traffic pay as you go, the IP pool is regularly updated and expanded to ensure it remains clean and abundant. This proxy is ideal for e-commerce data scraping, such as extracting product information from platforms like Amazon. It is also great for ad verification, ensuring your ads are accurately displayed across the globe. Additionally, you can use it to unlock geo-restricted content on platforms like YouTube and Netflix, giving you easy access to global video resources. Residential proxies allow you to protect your privacy while easily handling various online challenges. Try Cherry Proxy now and unlock the limitless possibilities of the global internet.
So thanks for watching that, and at least you've been able to know what the residential proxies and how to use it. So if you don't know how most of this works, you can also play any of the videos to fully understand what it is. So what can you use it for? And maybe these are the popular use cases for this proxy. So you can use it for data collection, for market research, brand protection, social media, ad verification, SEO, optimization, price monitoring, travel price comparison. So it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. Before we start the free trial, it doesn't end there. So let's say you want to take a survey or any of those, and this I want to take either a survey from maybe United States or any of the country of your preference. You can use this proxy for it. You are a freelancer, any of those things, you can use proxy from here. So let's quickly go dive in how to get this account. So with the link I provided, you'll be able to get in the free trial. So you start the free trial here, and you can use your GitHub account or you can use your Gmail. So let me just make it faster. So I'll just use my email. So let me use this email to just sign it to be faster, to make the process smooth and fast. So we are already there. So let's start. All right. So let's say you click the link and you've been able to sign in. You get up to this side. So the next thing you will do now is click on recharge. So with the use of the link I provided, you'll be able to purchase it at the rate of $0.77 per gig. So let's say you want to recharge and start using it. So let's click on recharge. And depending on the one you want to use, so if for instance I don't want to use residential proxy, I can click on here, business proxy, the rotating IASP proxy, unlimited residential proxy. So you have access to choose any one you want, and that will be fine. So let's say we are going for the residential proxy, which I've already clicked here. So you want to purchase it. You scroll down, you click on, you can see immediately you click it, this coupon code has already been applied because of the link in the description or in the comment section. So you click on recharge, and you can either use your credit card. If you want to use your credit card, you just click on it and continue to pay. So you can see the card number here, the expiry date, and the 3 digits at the back side of the card. So you can use that to purchase it. So if you want to use the USDT, if you want to use cryptocurrency, you can get it from here. So if you want to use a True network, you get it from here. If you want to use the Tether, which is the USDT, Ethereum network, ERC20, you can use it from here. If you want to use Ethereum on its own, you can use it from here. If you want to use Bitcoin, Litecoin, and if you want to use TRC20, you can use it from here. TRC20 USDT, you can use it from here. Just click on it and continue to pay. So immediately you click on it and continue to pay, you'll be provided with this. So, and it expires within 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes, that's what you will see. So the next thing is either you copy this code and use, or you just scan it and it will direct you to make your payment. You get the link to make your payment. So that's that for TRC20. So that's that for TRC20. So if you want to pay with cryptocurrency, that will be easier and it will arrive as soon as possible. So if you want to pay with PayPal, you have access to continue to pay here. Click on PayPal, continue to pay. If you want to pay with PaySim, Alipay, if you want to pay with Alipay, you can either click on it and continue to pay with Alipay. So those are the methods you can use to pay and get your proxy on Cherry Proxy. So let's say now we've purchased the proxy. And we want to use it. How do we set it up with the Gologin? So let's move over to it. I just click on it, click on my dashboard, and let me say we've purchased the proxy. I just go either this or this or this or this, anyone we choose. So let's say we are going with the residential proxy. We just click on it and click on use now. So if I purchase the proxy, if I've purchased it already, you'll be able to see, don't worry, I purchased it, but I just use this for maybe for another account so I can get that and get it done. So I don't want to show other details on the other account. So I just use this for demonstration purpose. So if you've purchased it, you'll be able to see it here. So let's say we've purchased it already and we've been assigned to our proxy address, port, username, password. So let's say we want to change, we don't want it to be random. Automatically, once you purchase it, it's like this, it's random, it's global, it can change, and some site doesn't need that. So we have to customize it to our needs. So we click on here, you can see it here. You can see it here, country and region. We click on it, we click on, let's say we are using United States. Let's click on United States. The random, we are not going for random for the state. Rather, we choose one, any state you want. So let's say Alaska. Let's choose from there. Let's take the city. Let's say we are choosing from, what is it called? Let's just choose one, Fairbanks. And the host name is there. You cannot change the host name. You cannot change it no matter what, it's still the same. So the ports and all of that. So let's say we are done with that and we want to customize with our Gologin. So these are the information. You can see once immediately we change it, everything has been changed over here. So let's copy the proxy address, which is our IP address. It's still our IP address, it's also called IP address. So go to our Gologin. So let me stop here. Let me stop it. So let's click on settings and we want to use our own proxy. So you can see everything has been set here, everything has been set. So let's say we want to use that. Let's just choose SOX5. Let's choose SOX5 and we paste the IP address, which is also known as the proxy address over there, over on Cherry Proxy. So we'll click on paste. We'll go over there, check our port. This is our port. We'll copy it. We'll go over here. We'll paste it. We'll go to the login. Since we've changed it to our country, so you'll be able to see US here because we changed it to US. And you copy that, copy it. You go over to login, you paste it again. And the password, do likewise to the password. We just go over here. You can either copy it from here or you just go here, copy it. Still the same. So we'll go over here, we paste it. And boom, we are done. You save it. And let's run it. Let's run it. No. I'm not running this one now. No. This is another one. This is another one. Let's run this. Let's run this. This is it. So this is the proxy from Cherry Proxy. So you can check it here. You can check the address here. You're able to go to IP info to check your location, or you check it via the check browser fingerprint that always comes with Go login. So let's say we're checking it over IP info. Let's wait for that to load. And what we do, let's wait for it to load. Let's just wait for it to load. I think to check that. Don't know why it's not loading now, but immediately you do that, you'll be able to see it because network. I don't know if the network is somehow fluctuating. You can use UA.net to also check it. I don't know why it's not loading, but immediately you check it, you'll be able to see. Yeah, it's kind of loading. You'll be able to see all your IP info. So you can see UA.net. Don't want to make this video too long. Okay, let's wait for it to load. It's taking time, it's taking time. So you can check the other video where I show you guys how to do all of this. You can check the other video where I show you guys how to check the IP address, all of that. I think it has loaded. So so still loading, still loading, still loading, still loading. So this is it's still under connection test. Everything hasn't been, nothing has been shown yet because of network. So I won't take much of your time anymore. So we have to end the video right now. So you can see, am I using progress? It says no. And list, no. All of that, it says no. The ISP, everything should have been shown here immediately after it's done loading. So this is my IP. You can see I'm located in the United States. I don't know why it's taking time to load. So you can check the other video how I check all of this. So thank you guys. This is how you'll be able to use Cherry Proxy, know how to purchase from Cherry Proxy, know how to configure it with your Gologin and the rest. So thank you guys for watching and have a good day.